finished with it. Put that to the side. Because the pepper didn't come out, just put a little pinch pepper in right in like this. Nice one. Get back your... This is my egg. And all I'm gonna do is put three-quarter cups of milk inside of it. And I'm using whole milk. You can use your kind of milk you like to use. If you want to use water, you can use water. I just use milk. You can use water for option. Give it a whisk. So, I put the milk, the egg. Right here, I have half teaspoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning. You can get jerk seasoning at local shop, supermarket, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Roughly just a little pinch, not even half teaspoon because it's really spicy. But someone wanna request the Jamaican Yorkshire pudding Jamaican way. So give it a whisk like this. The next thing, add the flour. Half. Give it a whisk. Add the rest of the half. And as you can see, looking lovely and nice. And basically, what I'm gonna do next, this is what I'm gonna do next. Is run it through my strainer one more time, just like this. So all of these what left out of it, of the jerk sauces right here, because I want the Yorkshire pudding to be really fine, come out really lovely and nice. All right, lovely. And next thing, that's exactly what we're talking about. Really smooth and fine. And this is a Jamaican way of making a jerk Yorkshire pudding. Alright, lovely and nice. So guys, do you get the full understand? Everything is just 1 cup of milk. Now 3/4 cups of milk, 1 cup of flour, plain flour, and 3 medium-sized egg. Now we're gonna get the tray from the oven. Alright, lovely. Nice one. I just take it from the oven, really hot. Health and safety, make sure you use oven gloves. Alright? Basically what we're going to do now, we're going to simply pour. So let's start from the front. Nice one. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill all 12. Alright? So guys, hopefully you will love it. Nice and lovely guys. As you can see, I just finished pour all of it one time just now. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to put it inside the back of the oven. Temperature must really hot for roughly another 15 minutes until you see them puffed up and get brown, have that lovely goldish color. That's what we're gonna looking for now. So let's put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Gas mark 9 or 180 for 15 minutes, different Fahrenheit. hide sauces. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Them from the oven, guys. As you can see, they're looking so lovely and nice. Basically, what I simply say to you guys, when you're making yasha pudding, once they rise like that, you know what I mean, that they are so perfect, lovely and nice. So just enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. Jamaican jerk Yorkshire pudding. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. This is going to roast beef, roast chicken, anything you like. See you next time. Bye bye.